Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Farm X, where it's going to be a part series starting off with got this old HX. We're going to be doing that. So got it the other day, runs and drives, but obviously needs some body work, which I'm going to be trying to do as much of it all myself. I've got a 202 I'm going to be building to go in it. I've got a Aussie 4-speed manual. It's going to go in a 2. It's 3 on the tree at the moment. So we'll do the body work. We're going to paint it, new engine, make it a bit of a nice street car. That's the plan. So yeah, welcome to the start. So at the moment it's raining, but not the best. Starts up, but as you can see, it runs, but it can't really rev it. It's dying out for some reason. So going to try and pull the carby apart and see why it's not running properly. Let's give it a go. So I'll show you what's going on here. Apparently this is all set up wrong. I've already found something else was upside down, but now it's saying that black plunger arm in the carby is upside down as well. So I'm going to pull that apart. And see what happens and flip it around. Alright, so it's the next day. After stuffing around heaps yesterday trying to get the original carby to work, it was just missing too much stuff. It didn't have the spring in the throttle pump. And it didn't even have the throttle jet in the carby, so it was never going to work. The other carby, I ended up having to take the float bowl fuel stop out of this carby and put it in the other one, because it just kept filling up. And this carby seems to be running a lot better. It's a bit cold. So I'm going to see if I loosen off the distributor with it running and see if I can twist it either way to make it run a bit better, as I don't have a timing light. Alright, so it's got a bit of movement either way. We'll start it up and see if doing that makes it better or worse. It stopped, but it did seem to be a little bit better. Another thing I was looking up last night was to check the vacuum advance on your carby. I suck on this and there's should be resistance, which there is. Also said, you might be able to see it, you see that works, that moves. Well, there you go. So my vacuum advance is all working. So that's good. That seems to be running heaps better. Might just need to adjust the idle, which this carby is a bit different. I haven't actually hooked up the throttle cable to it yet. It doesn't reach, or it does reach, but it pulls it pulls the throttle too much, so I'll have to see what I can do about that. So I'm just going to use the original bracket and just modify it a little bit. So I'm just going to cut off the choke assembly on the side of it, as this choke doesn't use this, it's got its own assembly on it. And then I'm just going to drill a hole in it where the new bolts will go through, or where it'll sit now, I should say.